Ito eh, oh. Ito bibigay eh. Shit. Hello guys! So again guys, today we have a new product. We have the new DJI Osmo Mobile 5. Yan guys, Osmo Mobile 5 guys. Again, we will check the Osmo Mobile 5. We will unbox and check the quality guys. And ayun. Then we will try also the Osmo Mobile 5. So again guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that this will be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography and videography gears. Similar with this one guys, we have the new product again. And also for my personal sneakers or all about sneakers. So yan guys, let's start now this vlog. But yan, before we start, we will check what's inside the box of this DJI Osmo Mobile 5 or the DJI OM5. And guys, it's written here guys in the box. You have the main DJI Osmo, storage pouch, grip tripod, wrist strap, power cable, magnetic, and the manual. So ayan. Actually, we already opened and checked the Osmo guys. Yeah, kasi excited kami lahat. So ayan, makita nyo dito instruction, some of the basic instruction from the first cover. Yan, under the first cover, undercover sa first cover. So this is the manual guys, and voila, your Osmo Mobile 5. Ayan, di ba? Check nyo yung design na guys, sabi nga palm daw eh, palm size eh. Pero parang hindi naman, medyo sumobro konti. Yeah, palm na size yan. So, compare natin sa Osmo Mobile, the first one. Osmo Mobile 4. Medyo malit nga siya guys. So if you compare side by side, ayan, pati yung joystick, ang liit niya guys. So mas maliit at mas compact pa siya. Tihamak sa Osmo Mobile 4. But still, I love the Osmo Mobile 4 guys. So, ayan, what's new from the Osmo Mobile 5 is you have already your, parang maano mo siya matupi. And also, you have already your selfie stick type. Selfie stick na siya guys. So yan, pwede siyang ma-convert into selfie stick yan. Na siya, na-extend. Sorry. So ayan, nandito sa atin ang ating mini tripod at saka itong holder. Napaka-importante, syempre nandito rin ang USB-C to USB. Yan, for charging. So again guys, for charging, the battery life of the Osmo Mobile 5 is around 6.5 hours and charging time for 1 hour. Yan. So guys. So ito yung magnetic na ng Osmo Mobile 5. So, yan. So, yan nga guys. This is the comparison between the Osmo Mobile 4 with the Osmo Mobile 5. So, this is more thinner compared for the Osmo Mobile 5. Yeah, medyo mas maliit siya. And guys, again guys, if you have your old Osmo Mobile 4 and if you have your extra mobile holder, again guys, this is compatible. So, it will fit on the Osmo Mobile 5. Yun, medyo hindi pala swak. Ayan, o, diba? Swak siya guys. This is the old Osmo Mobile 4 mobile clamp, and this is the new one. It's same guys. Actually same. Pareho lang talaga siya. And again, same application that we're gonna use is the DJI Mimo app. Yan. Mobile. Yan. Yan. So, easy to use guys. Just turn on. Mali pa yung ano ko. Yan. Just turn on the yun. Di ba? So, the joystick. Maganda rin yung joystick niya. Ayan. Nag-ano pa. Yan. Nag-calibrate pa. Ang kagandahan niya guys, you have already your buttons here. So, tap twice to make it landscape and portrait mode. Yan. Di ba? It's not same with the first Osmo Mobile 4. You can tap in this side guys. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. There. Yan. So only this side guys. If you want to make it landscape or portrait mode. Yan guys. Okay guys. So let's try the Osmo Mobile 5 with the iPhone XR. So, tara, let's try to record guys. So, tara, subukan natin. With the monopod. Ayan, di ba? Oh, di ba? So, recording. Yan. So, it's recording now guys. So, check natin. Ngayon siya guys. Oh. Ayan, di ba? Parang naka-drone shot. Oh, see? Oh. Hello guys. Yan. Kita-kita ka si Julius dyan. Oh. Dapat ganyan to eh. So, yan. Oh. Okay guys. Ang layo na ako sa mobile ko. Oh, diba? Yung nga lang yung audio, hindi natin marinig. Ano ba yung audio? Dapat i-ano pa natin. Down pa natin. So, down pa natin. Sobra, pwede pa natin siya i-down. Dito. So, ayan. Gusto kong mag-vlog, kita yung background. Ayan o. So guys, kita na yung background. Oh, diba? Nakadahan ka eh. At least stabilize siya. So, nakakahilog. Nakakahilog. Ayan o. Tignan tayo. Ito guys. Osmo mobile 5 pa. Ayan. Yan lang. Simple lang natin. Natin masyado babae. Oh, di ba? Kaya sa kabilang kanto ko. Mas, di ba? Ilalim. Wow. Kulit ng mga shot sa atin guys. Mobile na. Okay siya guys. Hinihingal ako doon. Ang ganda ng build natin guys. Nga lang, masakit sa leg. Pakagayin mo. Shoutout sa mga taga Mindanao. Taga Cotabato.
Assalamualaikum mga taga Cotabato. Mag-subscribe kayo.
Dati, taga
Misamis Oriental.
Isamis din siya. Taga Isamis. Ito, sa ating videographer. Ito, sa likod. Yun! Tagalasang. Tagalog yan, taga. Saan ka sa sino? Bicol! Yun, shoutout sa mga taga Bicol. Paano mag-shoutout sa inyo, Jo? Yung salta nyo? Wow, shoutout talaga.
Hindi, naman po sila ng Bisaya na Tagalog na mix.
Maayot ni Garabi. No?
Ayan. Okay, so, diba? Astig siya,
Ano yan?
oh.
Bisaya ba na sila yan?
Pwede siya mag 360, oh. Oh. Nakakahila. Oh.
Ano sila yan?
Diba? Ay, Jo, sino?
Bisaya ba siya po?
No.
Wala ko nahilo dun.
Ulan.
And that's it for today, guys. So again, guys, we tried already and test the DJI Osmo Mobile 5. So it's more fun, guys, if you attach a monopod. Yan. Para extension, di ba? Parang palumpulo talaga. So it looks like a drone type shot. So yan. I think this is a good stabilizer, mobile stabilizer, guys. So at least you have a mobile stabilizer with selfie stick. So 2-in-1 na siya, guys, di ba? Ang angas niya, battery life is 6.5 hours. So I think it's you can also charge via USB-C. So via power bank or something. So maganda siya, it's pocket size. Ayan, maganda siya, guys. Maliit lang, you can put even in your pocket because pocket size nga, diba? So ayan, I think this is good. The device is good, guys. I like the design, the quality of the product. So ayan. Again, guys, if you want to avail or if you want to purchase the DJI Osmo Mobile 5, you can pre-order, guys, to our website in www.aabworld.com. So you can make your order now and for end of October. Yeah, yun. End of October. So you can pre-order now, guys, in our website. Again, www.aabworld.com. Or if you want to check the device, guys, if you want to try to test, we have a demo unit here in Symphony showroom. So you can come and visit us and check this DJI Osmo Mobile 5. So, and I think that's it for today, guys. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is the Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating dalawang tropa na natutulog. Si Palaboy OFW na may sakit. Bye. Kain ka ng kain dyan para gumaling ka dyan. At si Brian punta na nandun sa natutulog yun. Malamang sa Igail. Ayun, bye. Shoutout sa inyong dalawa. Mamumusit na kami. Baka next week kasi mag-low tide na. So, at siyempre sa ating cameraman for today, Julius. Yun. Check nyo yung TikTok niya, guys. Updated lagi yan sa mga kaganapan sa showbiz. Check nyo, guys. Ayun, guys. Again, check nyo, guys, sa www.aabworld.com. DJI Osmo Mobile 5. So again, that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.